Imagine turning your Roku into an IPTV powerhouse, opening doors to endless entertainment, and all it takes is a simple setup process. Hello viewers! Today, I'm revealing the secret sauce to supercharge your Roku TV with IPTV magic. Stay tuned till the end. First, let's kick off with setting up. Preparing your Roku TV for the streaming revolution that is IPTV. It's simpler than you think. Make sure your internet is ready to go because a strong connection is the backbone of smooth and uninterrupted streaming experience. Here's a quick promo for https://www.2tv.store/ where you'll find the best IPTV service provider. Don't miss this amazing option. Now let's navigate to the channel store where the next chapters of your Roku adventure begin. Find the magic of custom channels. We will now dive into installing the IPTV app, the gateway to accessing a wide range of incredible viewing opportunities on Roku. Follow along as we configure the settings, ensuring those channels deliver the best possible viewing experience, exquisite and uninterrupted. Almost there, we're about to unlock limitless entertainment. Sitting back has never been more exciting. You are now your own content curator. Feel empowered to explore new channels, effortlessly switching from classics to latest releases, transforming how your household enjoys TV. Congratulations, you've mastered IPTV on Roku TV. Here's to exciting viewing possibilities and rich content choices right in your living room.